guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you another simple recipe and it's the one pot creamy chicken with mushrooms and spinach. This recipe is budget friendly, you don't need tons of ingredients, and let me show you what exactly do you need. First, we need some chicken thighs, some baby spinach, white mushrooms, I have some sunflower oil, cooking cream, salt, pepper, Parmesan cheese, lemon zest and lemon wedge, some garlic powder and some dried chives. Thank you for cooking with me today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you want to see more, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.